Hello there, YouTube friends. Welcome back to my channel. Doing a little bit more cast iron cooking. Going to make breakfast burritos. Got the sausage frying already. Going to scramble some eggs with cheese, sausage, got this skillet preheating. Alrighty, got the eggs scrambled up here. 6 eggs. Got some other people in the house here that's going to eat. Put some cheese in there. My own cheddar cheese. Probably don't want to put a lot. Cheese likes to burn. Using my brand new large deep skillet for the sausage. Regular 10 1/4 inch large, brand new. For the eggs, for the hot plate. 2 hot plates. I'm gonna bump this one up a little. Get the eggs in there. Listen to that, listen to that. Gotta keep them moving. Going to be using flour tortillas. Ideally, I'd like to heat those up in the skillet, but both skillets are full. Turn this one wide open. Made beef burritos last night. Was going to get a video and got a little late on me. I didn't get no video made of that. Turn the sausage down. It's pretty much done. Need to stir it. Plastic fork in cast iron. What about that? Who would have thought? Got that sausage turned down pretty low. Keep these eggs moving. That skillet's taking a while to warm up. Sausage, eggs, and cheese burrito. Wait on the eggs to get done here. I like these large skillets. I'm going to be using them on the lake and on the river this summer with a Coleman stove. Thinking about getting some solar power in the back of my truck camper. Use these 2 hot plates. If I can get me some solar power panels on my truck, battery and power inverter, whatever I need. Got to do some research on that. Eggs are coming along pretty good. 6 eggs. 4 people here in the house to eat this. So what I'm going to do is take this flour tortilla, lay it on my sausage to heat it up. Egg is not wanting to stick, but the sausage is sticking somewhat. I got another older large skillet, 8 inch. Got this little large pan. I bought it at the flea market for $5. Might be able to get a thumbnail pic of that. Eggs are pretty much done. Turn them off. My wife doesn't like eggs that get brown. Flip the flour tortilla over, get it a little bit warmer. So let's get started. Get some sausage in there. Get some egg in there. There you have it. One breakfast burrito. So I'll cut the camera off, get them in here, let them eat the egg before it gets too brown. Thank y'all for watching. Please click like on the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that. I'll be back with something else. Camping, fishing, truck camping, talking on amateur radio, metal detecting. I'll be doing something. Y'all have a good day now.